You gonna talk to Grandma over here? Yeah? You like laying here? On your changing table? Is this fun? Huh? Says it's certainly better than being on my tummy, 'cause I don't like that. Says I think I've had enough of this. Oh, boo. We're gonna play peekaboo here. Go peekaboo! Go peekaboo! Says I like the peekaboo game. Go peekaboo! Say it's a peekaboo game. Say it's a peekaboo game. Huh? Do you like your changing table? Even if you don't need to be changed? Not sure, huh? Not sure. No. What was that? Was that Hunter talking? Oh, you're getting excited. I see you. You getting that excited look on your face? Yeah, you go get Grandma Gran. You go get Grandma that grin. Yes. We all like that big old grin. That big old Hunter grin. Yes, that big old Hunter grin. Oh, what's that sound? Yeah. You looking at Grandma's camera? It must really be interesting. Yeah. It must really be interesting. Can you tell Grandma how old you are? Huh? Can you tell Grandma how old you are? Yeah? Are you 11 weeks old? Huh? My goodness, you're so big. Oh, just a big old boy. At 11 weeks old. Huh? So I'm checking the camera out. Not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what Grandma's doing. 'Cause I don't know what she's doing. Don't know what she's doing. She's making me giggle. Grandma's gonna make me giggle. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Grandma's gonna make me giggle. Grandma's gonna make me giggle, giggle. She's gonna make me giggle, giggle, giggle. She's gonna make me giggle, giggle, giggle. What's that? What is that? I see drool running out your mouth. I see it. Yep. What? What? Ha-doo! Can you do that? Can you go ha-doo? Ha-doo! Is that funny? Is it funny when Grandma goes ha-doo? Yeah. Ha-doo! Yes. You make Grandma laugh. You make Grandma laugh. What'd you say? Did you say Grandma's funny? Yeah, you say Grandma's funny. I know she is. Yeah. Yeah, she's so silly, my Grandma. She's an old silly Grandma. You're so silly. You're so silly. I don't know about her. I don't know about Grandma at all. Bye, Hunter. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Hunter. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye, Grandma? Yeah, say bye-bye, Grandma. Say bye-bye, Grandma. See you later, Grandma. Bye-bye.